Hello everyone. We are the students of Malnad College of Engineering, Hassan. So, I am here with my teammates to let you know some information about LZW algorithm. Let me introduce my teammates first. Pushpa, Nandini, DC, and it's me, Impala. You must be wondering, right? Let me give you content of this slide then. First is introduction. Then LZW encoding and decoding. Then there comes communication, and then the advantages and disadvantages. And lastly, the applications. Okay then, let's get started.
Now let us go to the introduction part. LZW is a universal lossless data compression algorithm. It is abbreviated as LAMPL-ZWET. It is also a compression of file into a smaller file, a table-based lookup algorithm invented by Abraham Lempel. LZW is a very famous image compression technique like JPJ, BMPS, and GIF. The thought process behind using this algorithm is that whenever an image file is seen as a string of a random number which are repeated into the nature of a time, it is also a simple to implement and has a potential of very high throughput in hardware implementation. It is also a widely used Unix file compression. Utilities compress and it is used as GIF image format. It is also a single code is output instead of string of characters. It is also added every time it seems to table of strings. And it is commonly used file formats are tagged image file format, graphical interface format, portable document format, and also Unix compress. And LZW algorithm having mainly three steps. First step is the source sequence is sequentially processed into a string that have not appeared so far. Second step is after every specification, look the input sequence until we find the shortest string which is not marked before. Third step is code these spaces by giving the location of prefix and value of last bit.
And now it's time for LZW encoding. So basically, it is a dictionary-based encoding. And the basic idea is to create a dictionary, a table of strings used during communication. And if both sender and receiver have a copy of the dictionary, then previously encountered strings can be substituted by an index in the dictionary. They have two phases, that is building an index dictionary and then compressing a string of symbols. And then LZW encoding algorithm. First, we extract the smallest substring that cannot be found in the remaining uncompressed string. Then, store the substring in the dictionary as a new entry and assign it an index value. Substring is replaced with the index found in the dictionary, and then insert the index and the last character of the substring into the compressed string. And here is a video where you can understand encoding better.
So guys, this is an example for LZW encoding for string BAA, BA, BBB, AA, BBBB, AA. So this is the code and we have to partition it by B as one position and A as another position and A. Here A is present here, so we have to go for another one. So AB as 3. And next A is present, AB is present, so we have to go one more, that is ABB. This is 4. And next B. B is present. So B and next AB. We have to partition this AB. This is the 5th one. And here A, B, AB is present, ABB, ABB is present, ABBB. This is we have to present as 6. And here B is present, A, BA is present, and now BAA. This we should categorize as 7th one. So here we have to enter in the index. As first one, we have to send B into the index, that is B. Next, we have to send second is A. We have to enter the code A. Next, third one, we have to enter AB. where A is having 2 as the value, and here we have to enter AB. So A is having value 2. So here we enter 2B. And here, fourth one, there is ABB. That is, AB is already having the value 3. We have to enter 3 and B. Fifth one, BA. We have to enter BA, which is not at all present here. So, BA is entered as 1A. And next, sixth one. This is ABBB. So, here ABB is already having the value 4. So, we have to enter 4B. And lastly, the seventh value. Here it is BAA. So, we have already BA present here as fifth value. So, 5A. So, here the compressed code is B, A, 2B, 3B, 1A, 4B, and 5A. This is the compression code for BAA, BA, BBB, AA, BBBB, AA. This is the encoded code.
So now it's time to see the LZW decoding algorithm. So the first step of the LZW decoding algorithm is the LZW decoder first reads in an index, lookups the index in the dictionary and the substring associated with that index. And the second step of LZW decoding algorithm is the first character of this substring is appended to the current working string. And the third step of decoding algorithm is this new concatenation is added to the dictionary. So finally, the decoded string then becomes the current working string. The current index is substring is remembered, and this process is repeated. So let us see clearly in next video.
So guys, this is an example for LZW decoding for the string. As per the previous video, this is an encoded string. So we will now see how to decode this encoded string. So firstly, we consider B. So here we can take B as 1. So here we can write B and A. And A is not repeated. So we can take A as 2 and we can write A here. And here is 2B. 2B, we know the value of 2, that is A. We can write A and B as it is. So now we can set AB to the value 3. Now it is 3B. 3B, here we know the value of 3. So we can write AB as value of 3 and B as it is. And now we can set ABB as value of 4. It is a value of 4 here, and then we have 1A. 1 is B and A as it is. Then we should write, so here BA we can set the value for 5. Then we have 4B, we have 4 ABB here. So we should write ABB for value 4 and B as it is. And next we have 5A. We know the value of 5, that is B. A, and here we have one more A. So this is the decoding code of this encoded string.
Now let us see about the limitation. The very first is type of image and number of colors must be considered. It means we all know that when we deal with images that have varying color and large size, in that case we have selected 8-bit plain slicing to increase the redundant in it. So the limitation of the type of image and the color must be considered. And the next one is can't be used in images with shadows or gradient. It's because we all know that the appearance of image which has shadows is quite different from the normal image. So the images which have shadows are quite difficult to compress, so it can't be used. And the next, we shall see about the advantages. First one is simple coding technique with high compression ratio. Algorithm is simple to implement and it has potential for high throughput in hardware implementation. And the second one is LZW compression is fast. For that, we have to know why it is fast. It because at first it works by reading a sequence of symbols and then it groups the symbols into strings and convert those strings into codes. Here, decoding is achieved by taking each code from the compressed file and then it translates it through code tables for while to find characters which it should represent. And when it occurs or over in dictionary, take copy of those strings and decode the LZW data stream. So this can save quite bit of space time when storing the encoded data. So compression becomes fast. And the third one is lossless compression technique. We would love when the thing store less space without any loss. And its useful is much more when we compress it that we all need in our daily life. So this is what actually it means that is no data is lost when compressing. And the next one is disadvantages. It creates entries in the dictionary that may never be used. When we implementing entries operation to the dictionary, it creates some extra entries which cannot be used. And the second one is LZW is a fairly old compression technique. And now let us see how LZW is used in various fields by seeing the application. And the first one is in medical science field. The medical images are very huge in size. Now let us consider the case. The case is we have to send X-ray image or a radiography image or any other image from one place to another. Then friends, it is very big and difficult problem to send it without any security and also without any loss of any type of information regarding to that report. So they use LZW compression technique which is lossless to compress the medical images. And the second one is ECG. Since it can be required to record an ECG signal during 24 hours, the computer storage may arise up to several gigabytes. We all know that. Considering the several million ECGs annually recorded for the purposes of comparison and analysis, the need for effective ECG data compression algorithm is used. And the last and quite loving is it is used in GIF and PDF files. It is quite loving because we all know that about the GIF because we all use it in the WhatsApp to make chatting more interesting and also we all love that GIF. Yeah, that's GIF. We all see how LZW works in GIF. So let's see. At first, it uses variant of LZW to compress the graphical data and allows to send image between different computers. And then it scans the image row by row and discovers pixel correlated within row, not between rows. And at last, it uses growing and dynamic dictionary for compressing data. Thank you.